Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect WordPress with your domain. First, ensure you have both a registered domain name and a WordPress installation ready. We will cover two primary methods, updating name servers and modifying a records. Each approach offers a straightforward path to making your website live. By the end, you will have a clear understanding of how to successfully link your domain to your WordPress site, making it accessible to everyone online. The first common method involves updating your domain's name servers. Your web hosting provider will supply you with at least two unique name server addresses. Log into your domain registrar's account and navigate to the DNS management section. Here, you will replace the existing name servers with those provided by your host. This tells your domain where to find your website files. Propagation can take up to 48 hours, so patience is key. Alternatively, you can connect your domain by updating its record. This method requires your hosting server's specific IP address, which you can find in your hosting account dashboard. Within your domain registrar's DNS settings, locate the record entry. Change its value to your server's IP address. Additionally, create a CNAME record for www pointing to your main domain. This ensures both versions of your site resolve correctly, typically propagating within a few hours. After making your DNS changes, it is crucial to verify the connection. First, clear your browser's cache to ensure you are not seeing an old version of your site. Then, simply type your domain name into any web browser. Your WordPress site should now load correctly. Also, double-check your WordPress general settings to confirm the WordPress address and site address URLs match your domain. Finally, install an SSL certificate for secure, encrypted connections, which is essential for modern websites.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.